Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Get Curried. This is your Punjabi Chef Prateek Dhawan, not just any Dhawan. Today I'm Dhawan. We are going to prepare a delicious Indian appetizer called Chicken Pakoda. So let's start cooking. To start the recipe, we have taken chicken cubes. I've used breast. You can also use chicken leg. To begin with, first I'm going to put besan. And to add more crispiness, I'm going to add rice flour. And now I'm going to add sliced onion. Now chopped green chili. Few curry leaves. And now to add seasoning, first I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, black pepper powder, and last some salt. And now for binding, I'm going to add egg white and mix it all together. After mixing the egg with the batter, I'm going to add little water to get the desired consistency in the batter. The chicken is nicely mixed in the batter. I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes, then we'll start frying. I have kept the oil for heating. Once the oil gets hot, we'll start frying the chicken. I'm going to wet my fingers. Pick up one piece of chicken, nicely mix it in the batter and put it for fry. And there you go guys, our chicken pakoda is now ready. I'm going to enjoy it with nice homemade chutney. You also do try the recipe. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.